In today's video, we're going to talk about some affiliate marketing and why some of the old styles, the old ways of affiliate marketing is starting to die off. We have to look at a lot of these affiliate marketers, the ones who are doing extremely well. Here's one thing they are not telling you is that a lot of these affiliate marketers, the big guys, have a large following. If you're just starting into this whole affiliate marketing race, you are way behind. Trust me. I've been in affiliate marketing for years, and I just really started realizing, like, wow, how affiliate marketing really works. See, what a lot of these affiliate marketers are not telling you is that their affiliate marketing tactics are catered to the would-be affiliate marketers. No, they're not really catered to the products they sell. No, they're catered to selling you courses and classes of how to do affiliate marketing. Because, ladies and gentlemen, this niche is slowly starting to be overwhelmed, and new systems are put in place to kind of prevent a lot of this, well, spam. You will see things on there like big amounts, like $548,000 in a month. I made $2 million in a month. I made this much a year. Well, of course they did. When you have 1.5 million subscribers, you should be. When you got 100,000, 200,000 subscribers to your Instagram account, and you have 200,000 YouTube subscribers, of course, you're going to make that money. But what the game is that they show you these accounts of large sums of money, and you think they did this through their product they're trying to sell you. Most of their products, they will actually try to sell you a course, sell you a class, sell you a system, sell you a program. And this program helps them make more money so they can make more videos showing you how much money they made, basically off of you. I know, because I've done this many times. Matter of fact, in this video, I'm going to talk about a product, and I will get commission for this product. The difference is that this product I'm going to show you is something that can really change the game. Let's go over to ClickFunnels. So here goes a product sales funnel system. As you see, you get a bribe, you get a sales page, an OTO, confirmation page. Sometimes these things can get pretty complicated, and they really don't have to be. Let's go to one that's a little bit more simple, using the ClickFunnels. ClickFunnels gives you a squeeze page, and then it's a sales page, an order confirmation, then it goes to a download page. Pretty nice. Not bad system, only a 4-page system. But here's the thing, they're going to charge you about $97 per month, not including your autoresponders and things you're going to need as well, which is another about $67 per month, making about $170 per month. Now, to get people to your squeeze pages, you're going to have to get traffic to those pages. And to get traffic to those pages, well, you're going to have to pay more money. You're going to have to buy Google ads, Facebook ads, Bing ads, wherever the ads may be. You're going to have to buy advertisements and get people to your squeeze pages, which is going to range you about another $100 to $200 per month, making a total about $400 to $500 a month just to get the ball rolling in a certain niche. Now, good thing about creating these pages, and they do work, you can be able to collect people's emails. But when you collect those emails, well, eventually you're going to have to email those people about your certain products. Spam. That's exactly what it is. Think about it. All of the old ways of advertising is dead and dying. You've got mail. Congratulations, you won. Click here, you won. Click here. Remember those old ads? They just don't work anymore because people have become accustomed to those type of ads, and they just don't click on them more. They just do not follow for them anymore. There are even some application developers who make video ads, and they leave out the X mark. That way you can't close their ad. You actually have to click on the ad for the new page to open up so you can get a look or a view. That's it. People today are getting tired of spam emails over and over and over again. Yes, I may have been interested in a product, but now I'm not interested anymore. So why do I need 10 emails a day for a certain product? You're going to go to a spam folder, then your whole email list is dying. It makes you wonder why the affiliate marketers sell their lists in the first place. Sites like Udemy have affiliate marketers with large lists, and they sell their lists. Yep. It makes you wonder why they don't just use their lists for the products they have. Why don't those affiliate marketers just make their own squeeze pages and sell it to their own email list? This word. AI intelligence today in 2020 has gotten a whole lot smarter. Google is working on lots of algorithms and AI intelligence that likes to read certain emails or certain texts to catch these in action. If we look at certain programs, we can see what they look for. They look for percentage, 50% off. These are triggers. They're looking for the caps, free, proof. Looking for the price. They're looking for certain pins. They're looking for certain explanation points, certain attachments. The old way of emailing people with your affiliate links is dying. It's dying. This was back in 2016, and they've been doing this for years, over 4 or 5 years in AI development. Amazon has their own system called Amazon MTurk that actually use computer learning, and it helps to identify certain factors in emails. So if you keep trying to base your business on building emails over and over and over, you're going to be left out in the dust. You have to provide your customers with something. One of those special somethings is eBooks. See, people may be opting to actually give up their email address if you give them something. So yes, I gave you my email address, but you gave me an ebook based on whatever topic that is. Right here you can see the Kindle best-selling books of 2019, and most of these books are written by a lot of famous people who are already in the industry. These books will be on sale forever. Let's look at the Michelle Obama book. Her book, her niche, will never go out of style, ever. So say you write an affiliate marketing website, and this website has to do with toothbrushes. Well, eventually those toothbrushes might fade off, and people might not be interested in certain toothbrushes anymore. Look at the fidget spinner. The fidget spinner was a very hot seller until it wasn't hot anymore. Now it's just, it's old news. The fad is over. Well, one fad that will never decrease is books. Since the beginning of mankind, there have been books, there have been writings, there have been literature. No affiliate marketer in the world would tell you that books is done. No one's going to read books anymore. No one, because they know, yes, people are going to read books. And if you embed your books with your affiliate links, now you got a lifetime customer who doesn't mind giving up their email. The old way of emailing is dying. This is why most of these affiliate marketers are selling you their plan. They're going to sell you their marketing strategy, their plan, their program. And if you buy their course, they're going to teach you all the ways of affiliate marketing because it's dying. If I was making $1 million a year affiliate marketing, right, and I had thousands of emails, I probably wouldn't tell anybody. No. Why would you tell people and give them tips? But if that niche is dying and my email list is starting to die off because most of my emails have now been labeled as spam, I'm going to make a course. I'm going to make a video course, and I'm going to make ebook course, and I'm going to sell you my course because now I'm going to make money off those. Here's ebooks to write about, like health, wealth, relationships, cookbooks. Very easy to make. If you go into the old style books, you're going to go through outlines and chapters. Here goes a 30-day of how to make an ebook in 30 days. All right, you pick a topic, 2 days, create an outline in 2 days, start writing your book in at least 3 weeks, which is really not possible. All right, unless you're going to write a real crappy book. Edit your book and proofread your book. Now, many of these features are also help with outside help. You're going to have to hire an editor. Don't you edit your book because you're going to miss a lot of stuff. Hire an editor, hire an illustrator, and then you can actually go to a publishing house and actually try to publish your book and things. You can actually do all this completely free right on Amazon. One of the most easiest ways to create ebooks is Scribble. Scribble gives you a way to create ebooks in 5 minutes. So use the technology to your advantage. Ebooks on demand. If you scroll down here, you can see it has a auto writing content, commercial license, unlimited pages, and resale rights you can sell. It's only 29 bucks, guys. No more paying monthly fees. You're paying monthly fees to your ClickBank account. You're paying monthly fees to the AWeather. You're paying your autoresponders. You're paying monthly fees. You're paying monthly fees for all your traffic. You're paying monthly fees, everything. Fees, fees, fees. Use a program like this for $29 and you own it. All right? You own it. It does so many features. Too many features for me to mention in this video right now. I'm going to put a link below. You guys go ahead and click it. Trust me. All right? I do get a little commission. Not much. It's only $29. Not much. But trust me, being able to create content in 60 seconds is amazing. You better create your own best-selling book and then be able to create your own sales funnels, providing value to your customers. So, yes, you know what? I would like to learn about these milkshakes recipes. I'm going to give you my email, and you're going to email me your ebook instantly download. And then inside your ebook, you're going to place all your affiliate links to ClickBank, to JVZoo, to any other affiliate marketing, Amazon, Walmart affiliates, whatever. And your book will be listed on places like Amazon forever. Here goes a list of just the keto cookbooks. Cookbooks are stupidly easy to make. Very, very easy. This keto 5-ingredient ketogenic diet cookbook, low carb, 2,000 downloads at $10 a piece. So this person possibly made $20,000 with this one ebook, and I guarantee they embedded this book with affiliate links, making extra money. This complete ketogenic cookbook, 4,000 copies. Wow. This book is just brand new, just came out. We're going to skip that one. Here's another one, 2,500 copies at $10 a piece. This person made a minimum about $25,000. This keto book, basically, if you have Kindle Unlimited, is basically free. Why would they take a free book? Because they embedded their book with affiliate links. You see, if you email a person about your book and they got a book from you, they probably won't mark you as spam. After all, they got something for free from you. Oh, yeah, this is the guy, they emailed me a book. I got a free book. And I like this book. This has different recipes. This is a bestseller now, already on Amazon. And it's probably embedded with thousands of affiliate links all over the books, all over the pages. Now, the ketogenic book, 0 for Kindle Unlimited, 0 for Kindle Unlimited, 0. All right, this one sold 3,500 books at $10 a piece. He made a minimum of $35,000 for this cookbook. You put recipes in a book, done. That's it. 125 recipes. That's it. 125 recipes, and he's making $35,000 minimum. And not only that, he probably put a bunch of affiliate links all over the book. So while people are reading the book, he pop in an affiliate link to a keto diet workout plan book or affiliate link, probably making an extra $60 to $70 per affiliate. Possibly making this book $60,000 to $100,000 forever and ever. Scribble, ladies and gentlemen, allows you guys to do that instantly. If I made an ebook, I wouldn't make one, I make 100 books. I make each book $10 a piece. If you make 100 books, why not go for 1,000? After all, you can generate books at 5 minutes. You can generate books. Not only does that, it does the cover, it does the table of contents, it does everything. These are things you do. You can sit around, you can waste hours and days trying to design and make your ebook. All right? Wait 14 to 15 days for a designer to come back and only to hate it. All right? You can pay somebody else to make your ebooks, $100 to $500 per template. Lose hours of time, content from scratch, and especially through freelancing work. You can charge and you can pay. Now, here's the thing. You could become a freelancer and make this amount, $200 to $650 as a freelancer, or you can hire a freelancer to do your book. This is what you're going to pay. That's exactly what you're going to pay. I've done this. I have 150 ebooks, and trust me, I make a killing every single month. This program wasn't around when I was doing a lot of ebooks, but guess what? I started doing it. I made a book. I have a best-selling book out right now. Writing, designing, and formatting. It does everything from your ebook covers, your templates, everything. You pick a template, add your instant content, and you scroll down here, customize and publish. You hit the generate, you're done. Move on to your next book, do it again. Move on to your next book, do it again. Over and over. As you see, weight loss, that's what I would do. That's the niche I would stick. Weight loss, diet, cookbooks, workout plans. And while you're in those workout plans, head on over to the affiliate marketing places like ClickBank and JVZoo and add your affiliate links right into your book. Why go out and buy somebody's course for $100 and $200 for some affiliate marketing course when you can actually just make affiliate marketing courses for $29 using this little program and put it out there to the masses? Amazon allows you to publish books for free. For free, ladies and gentlemen. You don't have to pay for any advertisement. Once it's in the Kindle library, it's there. You can keep it there forever. When you have a new book, you'll pop up on Amazon's new releases. All right? That is another secret, ladies and gentlemen, to get out of the race. You can head on over and keep looking at a lot of these courses and classes and affiliate. Yes, it does work. You're going to make money. But if you want to be ahead of the game, you need to get into the hustle. You need to get into the ebook hustle. Trust me. This is a niche that just doesn't go away. And use simple, easy programs like this to generate these things back to back over and over. All right? There is a video demo on this website, and it will show you step by step of what this guy does. This guy literally, in 8 minutes, he creates an ebook right in front of you and then publishes it. And that book is live on Amazon right now being sold over and over. Click the link in the description, and trust me, watch this demo. Watch it. It's going to make you believe. You're like, yo, wow. This is the only software on the market that does this. Right now, this is the coupon code for 2020. You get $37 off. Jump on it now. It's only 2 days left. And trust me, you're going to thank me for this. Like, wow. Talk to you guys soon. Peace.